These three attachments that I have here are quite specific to the blanks that they are designed for. We have the plate press here, which when put together is perfect for pressing a design onto a plate of this size, which is a 10-inch. The 10-inch plate has the transfer attached to the centre. Place the foam over the transfer and then tip it upside down to place it into your heat press. The pressure is applied from the top clamping part of the press. Don't remove the heat plate, and it presses down onto the foam, which creates the pressure of the design. Then all you do is remove the outside, place it on the smaller plate, which is an 8-inch, same process into the heat press. The conical 12-ounce mug wrap is really specifically for a conical 12-ounce mug. The hat press is quite a specific piece of equipment as well. It does just that and presses hats. Although I have seen people use that for a similar process of applying logos to women's sports attire, where you need a slightly curved surface to be able to apply the pressure. The base of the hat press goes on where the base of the heat press comes away. The flat press on top also unscrews from the handle, and the top of the hat press attaches that way.